Hi, and welcome to ELEATION C training program. In this video, we are going to dive deep into mastering control structures in C. Whether you are a complete beginner or someone looking to sharpen your skills, this video is for you. Today, we'll explore the building blocks of programming logic, loops, if-else, and switch statements. These are key concepts that will help you write efficient and optimized C programs. And stay till the end because I've got an exciting offer for you to kickstart your C programming journey with ELEATION. Control structures are the backbone of any programming language. In C, they allow us to control the flow of our code based on different conditions. Think of it as the GPS for your program. It guides the decisions, repetitions, and jumps in the program logic. At ELEATION, we teach you how to master these concepts step by step. From simple decision-making statements like if-else to more complex loops like for, while, and do while. The if-else statement is your program's way of making decisions. It's like giving your code a brain. Based on certain conditions, it can take different actions. For example, if it's raining, wear a raincoat, else wear sunglasses. Simple, right? In ELEATION's C training program, we break down these concepts in a way that's easy to understand. You'll be writing smart programs in no time. Now, let's talk about loops. Loops are perfect when you need to repeat a task multiple times. Imagine you need to count to 100. Instead of writing 100 lines of code, if a loop can do it in just 3 lines. It saves you time, effort, and reduces errors. At ELEATION, we teach you the 3 main loops in C, for, while, and do while. By the end of our course, you'll know exactly when to use each loop efficiently. Lastly, let's tackle switch statements. When you have multiple conditions to check, switch statements simplify the process. It's like going to a restaurant and choosing from a menu. Based on your choice, a different dish is served. Switch cases are a cleaner alternative to long if-else ladders and are easy to understand once you get the hang of them. In our C training program, we ensure you practice plenty of examples, so you are confident using them. Are you ready to take your C programming skills to the next level? At ELEATION, we've created a comprehensive training program that takes you from the basics to advanced concepts. And here's the best part, if you register now, you can avail a huge discount. The course fee is Rs 2,499, but for a limited time, you can get a discount of Rs 1,499 and join the course for just Rs 1,000. All you need to do is scan the QR code on the screen or click the link in the description. With this investment, you get lifetime access to our self-paced video lectures, internship project opportunities, and a certificate of completion. Whether you are aiming for a job or internship, ELEATION's C training program is your gateway to success. Don't wait any longer. Opportunities like this don't come around often. Master control structures in C, boost your coding skills, and land that dream job or internship with the help of ELEATION's expert guidance. Register now and take the first step towards mastering C programming. I'll see you in the course.